What is going on, guys? We are back with another video. I am coming to you from the TA here in Franklin, Tennessee, just south of Nashville. And I wanted to share with you guys a little story. I met another driver here. He kind of helped spot me in as I was backing in, and because I parked next to these two oversized haulers. And the driver who spotted me, he was a kind young man. He was 82 years young, and he told me that he's been a truck driver for 65 years, and he's been an owner-operator for 55 years. And he says he's loved every minute of it. He's been oversized hauling for, I think he said 48 years. But him and his wife, they've got two rigs, and they both drive. He drives one rig, his wife drives the other one, and his wife is 81 years young. And it's inspiring to see that couple driving trucks, and they go all over the country together. He said between them both, they make over $300,000 a year, just doing it a couple loads every week. And he told me if I love doing this, to never stop, to never look back. Because the moment you stop and you look back is the moment that the man in the black robe is going to come and send you home. He said he's had many friends that drove trucks and started driving trucks the same time he did. And he said every single one of them is gone, because they retired when they were in their 60s and 70s. And he said after a few years being off the road, he said they were gone. So he said he ain't going to stop until the man above says it's time to come home. I admire that. I love doing this. I'm glad to be back in it. And I wanted to share that with you guys because it really spoke to me. It's really inspiring to see people like that still out here doing it. So if you guys, anybody is thinking about becoming a truck driver, it's an awesome lifestyle. It's an awesome career. But you got to have the right mindset. You got to be out here willing to do the long shifts, the long days, to drive the miles every day, to be out here and make the sacrifice being away from your families for weeks at a time. You got to have that mindset. If not, then you're going to fail. You're going to fail no matter what route you go as, whether it be a company driver, a lease driver, or even an owner-operator, or even if you want to have a fleet. If you don't have the right mindset and the goals in place, you're going to fail. So if you're not currently a driver and you're thinking about becoming a driver, Prime is a good place to get your start. There's a lot of other great companies out there also to get a good start in. When I first got started, I got started with FFE my first time around. Went through their driver training school, and of course, second time around I went through Prime. But if you guys are considering coming to Prime, consider using my driver code. It's going to be right here. When you call in and talk to a recruiter, make sure you mention my driver code. Sorry about that, guys. I had a bad sneeze. Yeah, consider using my driver code when you call in and talk to a recruiter. And I want to thank you for all of the current subscribers who've been subscribed since the beginning. Of course, all the new subscribers. I've been seeing y'all subscribe, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate the likes. As always, don't forget to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and then the bell to be notified when I post new content. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, be safe, have fun, and make those miles of money. See you next time.